How does practical application improve study techniques? Have you ever wondered how putting knowledge into practice can make your study sessions more effective? Let's break down how practical application can transform your learning experience. When you actively engage with the material, you shift from simply memorizing facts to truly understanding concepts. This change is essential for retaining information long-term. Practical application is especially beneficial for kinesthetic learners. These learners thrive on hands-on experiences. Instead of just listening to lectures or reading textbooks, they learn best through doing. By applying what you learn in real-world scenarios, you can see how theories work in practice. For instance, if you are studying biology, conducting experiments can help solidify your understanding of complex processes. One key benefit of practical application is that it reinforces knowledge through experience. When you work on real-life problems, you can see the relevance of what you are studying. For example, a student learning accounting principles will gain much more from analyzing actual financial statements than from just reading about them. This real-world connection makes the information stick. Another advantage is the development of problem-solving skills. When you face real challenges, you are forced to think critically and creatively. This practice not only prepares you for exams but also equips you for future tasks in your career. Engagement and motivation are also enhanced through practical activities. Hands-on learning is often more interesting than traditional study methods. This increased engagement can lead to better focus and reduced boredom. Additionally, practical application builds confidence and professional skills. Gaining experience through projects or internships helps you feel more capable in your abilities. You also develop skills like teamwork and time management, which are essential in any job. To incorporate practical application into your study routine, consider activities such as working through problem sets that mimic real-life situations. Teaching concepts to others can also be beneficial. This method, similar to the Feynman technique, helps solidify your understanding. Engaging in projects or internships related to your subjects can provide valuable experience. Using case studies or role-playing exercises allows you to apply theoretical knowledge in a practical context. In summary, practical application shifts your study approach from passive review to active learning. By engaging with the material in a hands-on way, you can achieve deeper understanding, better memory retention, and develop skills that will serve you well beyond your studies.